Hemostasis is our body's own emergency response team, always ready to jump into action. It's the process that stops bleeding and prevents us from losing excessive blood. Imagine a world without hemostasis. Even a minor cut could become life-threatening. In our daily lives, we experience minor injuries like cuts and scrapes. Hemostasis ensures that these incidents don't turn into major medical emergencies. Without it, we'd be vulnerable to uncontrolled bleeding, putting our lives at risk. Our body has an incredible ability to sense when and where bleeding occurs. When a blood vessel is damaged, it's like an alarm bell going off. The body receives signals that something is wrong. This damage disrupts the smooth inner lining of our blood vessels. This lining, called the endothelium, plays a crucial role in preventing clotting when intact. But when it's disrupted, it exposes the underlying collagen, which triggers the hemostasis process. Platelets are like the first responders to the scene of an injury. These tiny, disc-shaped cells circulate in our blood, waiting for their call to action. When bleeding occurs, they rush to the site and adhere to the damaged area. This initial gathering of platelets forms a temporary plug, like a band-aid over the wound. But that's not all. They also release chemical messengers that activate a complex chain reaction known as the clotting cascade. This cascade involves numerous clotting factors that work together to form a stable blood clot. Imagine getting a paper cut. The bleeding is usually minimal, and hemostasis kicks in quickly. The damaged blood vessels constrict, platelets form a plug, and a clot forms, stopping the bleeding within minutes. For larger wounds, the process is similar, but more involved. The clotting cascade is amplified, creating a larger and stronger clot to seal the injury. This process is essential for preventing excessive blood loss, which can be life-threatening.